On everybody, we got a breakout on XRP. This thing is looking beautiful. We're going to tear into this price a little bit more, see where this thing's heading next. We're heading through the 618 and 702 right here. We got in Discord, we got in this trade somewhere down here, right down in this zone here. So we're looking at really nice profits here and potentially quite a bit higher up here, right? So first off, I do want to show you Bitcoin here and show you a couple other things, and then we're going to take a look at some price targets for XRP. If you would hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate that, guys. Just past 6,000 subs on the channel. I can't believe it. That's incredible. Can't thank you guys enough. That is for sure. All right, here we go with Bitcoin. Let's clean this up a little bit. I apologize. Constantly looking at these charts, trying to figure out stuff. It's what I do all day. As soon as I wake up, I open this laptop. I mean, it's just all day long. All right, you can see this thing taking off here. If we come out here, let's come out on a monthly chart once. I'm going to show you guys something, right? Let's just clean this whole thing off. All right, there we go. Now, if we take the fib and put it down here on the 2021 high, pull this down, you can see we're getting through that 1618 now. All right, the target off of this potential third wave, fourth wave pullback here, you're also getting through the price, the 1618 on it. All right, originally, I'll be honest with you, I was looking for a target for this fifth wave anywhere in here. I was looking for this thing to possibly stall out here. Right, that's quite honestly, I've been saying that for a long time. Well, when Bitcoin first started to break here, I've been calling for this five wave, geez, for probably a year. Anyway, we had this fourth, then we were looking for this fifth. Now we are over exceeding the 1618 out here on the monthly, back from the prior high. You know, the next target at the 2618 is up at 157. So that's what we could be looking at next, you know, is a shot up to here. What would that do for the altcoin market? That, you know, of course, we're looking at Bitcoin dominance dropping right over here. Okay, it's getting that retest here. You can see it back. You can see it back testing this breakdown right there. Right, 618. That's another thing we've been talking about for months and months and months. Is Bitcoin dominance getting to the 618 and rolling over? All right, so I'm glad that that has finally happened. I've been talking about that since way down here a while ago, you know, and finally, each one of these candles represents a month. It's finally gotten there. People probably in the channel probably got sick of hearing it, and it's finally starting to roll over. Now it's going to back test up here. Back test this now as resistance, we hope, and that's what it should do, and then roll over. All right, now if we come in on a weekly, there you go. You can see that a little bit better. Should come back up to this line, hit it, and roll over. On a daily, you have, well, we got a 1, 2. This is starting, looks like a 5 wave up here, quite honestly. Is that a 50% retracement right here? Yeah, that's a 50%. This thing could run a little bit higher. No doubt about it. There's no doubt in my mind. This is a 1, 2. This is the third wave it's working on now. So Bitcoin dominance could run a little bit further here. You know, we'll just have to keep an eye on that. There is no doubt in my mind that is a 50% pullback. That is a wave 2. You're starting a wave 3 up to the upside. So we'll keep an eye on this thing. Well, overall, we're looking for a breakdown of Bitcoin dominance. Could run up a little bit higher. Maybe double top here or something, and then roll over. Maybe it comes up here. It's definitely starting a run again. Maybe back up here, hit this, maybe with a fifth wave, and then roll over possibly. We'll see what happens here, but I will definitely be watching that. All right, now if we come back over here, I'm going to take a look at a couple other ones. If you guys are interested in a detailed look of any tokens that you carry. I have a lot of people ask me. Um, you know, I don't cover everything obviously on my channel, but if you want a detailed look at it, you know, a chart, and you want me to put price targets, potential price targets I would be looking for, you know, and levels and everything, a detailed chart, maybe something like this. Um, you know, you can. I'll put a USDT wallet in the description of the video. If you send $20 to that wallet, send me an email with your transaction ID. I will send you a detailed chart back. You know, of whatever token you're looking at there. Like I said, I don't cover them all, but I will do that. If you know, a lot of times I do that for members for free in the Discord. If you catch me in there, there's a lot of times if I have time, you know, I'm posting trades in there a lot. But yeah, the way you sign up for that, that's a level 3 membership. It's only $15. All right, you get over 10 hours of videos to watch to show you how to start charting, and you get a link to the Discord to come trade with us, just like we're in this XRP trade now. There's big money in this trade. I know I'm up pretty nicely, and I'm sure everybody else is too. I have a bunch of people over there who took that trade. So if that interests you, go sign up for that level 3. We have over 200 people in the Discord. We have a lot of great traders over there. And if not, send me $20 to the USDT wallet, and I'll send you back a detailed chart of whatever crypto you want me to take a look at. Considering there's a chart for it. If there's not, I'll send you your $20 back. But all right, let's get a look here. The total market cap. You can see here it took out the previous all-time high back over here, and it is currently running. It has back tested it. Right here was prior all-time high. We have blasted through that. That's the total market cap of crypto. Now the total 1 and the total 2, have they broken yet? The total 2, this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, has not taken out the prior all-time high. That would be back over here. All right, 1.7. It's at 1.55 right now. And the total 3, is just poking its head up there. That excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two biggest market caps in the crypto market. And you can see here, it's just poked its head above it. Has not. It's still below it actually. Just peaked up above it here, just by a hair, and now it's going sideways in here. Right, we'll have to keep an eye on it and see what that's doing here. But overall, we're looking for that to do something like this. 1, 2. And you're gonna get your 3 wave, 4, and 5. You know, possibly that's a 1618 off of the 2021 all-time high for the market. That would be up at $1.58 trillion. All right, we're just over $1 trillion now, so that's another $500 billion into the altcoins, and that is without Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's a lot of money. All right, so that would definitely send your wallet, you know, doing whatever X it's gonna do. Now XRP, this is looking very good. Last night over in Discord, I seen this wedge forming, and I asked people, a few of them, maybe they should not consider selling. We were right in this area right here when they said that, and when you know it, look at this. Let me show you this because it's kind of humorous. It wouldn't be if it didn't work out, but right in this area here, I said, please do not sell. You know, maybe it was up here even, and look what happened this morning. It just dropped down. I posted over there, you know, as long as we could start this 5 waves back up, get a bounce off that 50% in there on the 15-minute, and then a bounce on the 50% on the 1 hour, and it worked out, and we got this massive breakthrough right now. All right, now first area we are looking at with some interest here. See, if you were in the Discord, you would have got this trade, and you would be in some massive, massive gains right now. Just to give you an idea. That's, call it 20%. It's 18 and a half, all right? Well, more than that, 19, right to where it ran up here to 22. Let's go with 20%, okay? If you were, even on a 10x, you would have already 2 times your money. This potentially, if this heads up to where we're thinking, well, yeah, you six to 10x your money. So over in Discord, if you had, say for instance, $1,000 on this, you could potentially be looking at making. I'm going to show you these targets in a minute. 7x your money. That's just on a 10x. If you're on a 20x, you put maybe 14x in your money. Can you imagine off one trade turning $1,000 into 14,000? That's what can happen with leverage as long as you get good entries, like we did down here. All right. And you can run them to their full potential. Now with XRP, if we put a Fibonacci on here, you can see right now we're in that 618-702 area. A break of 261. All right, if we take out 261, it gets through that 702. This would be the next target. Up in this range, up in here. Anywhere from and these don't always go to the right to the 1618. Sometimes they stop a little short. Sometimes they go higher, but anywhere from, call it 340 to the 350 area up in here. That would be the target for this thing. So XRP could have a very, very nice run coming. And so far we have poked through here. Probably doing a fourth wave pullback on this 5 waves on the hourly right now. You can see you got down here, you have 1, 2, you're looking at 3, 4 is probably going to come back and retest this. 5th wave, maybe through that 702. We'll have to wait and see what happens here, right? Then a correction, and then hopefully heading to them higher prices, all right? So thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Please hit that like and subscribe. Like I said, if you want a detailed chart of your crypto, send $20 to the USDT wallet in the description of the video, along with an email to me with your transaction ID. Right off your crypto transaction, and I will send a chart to you. All right, thanks a lot. Or join that group. It's a level 3 membership. Come over and trade with us. All right, have a great day, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.